In this video, we'll show you how you can fix Wi-Fi problems on your Samsung Galaxy phone with a secret dial code. So for this code to work, you first need to head to the settings app. Now scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Now here turn off this auto blocker toggle. So once you have disabled this feature, all you have to do is head to the phone app. Now go to the keypad option. Now type in *2663 followed by hash. Once you type this option, you will see this particular menu. Now here you will see this Wi-Fi version options. Simply tap on it and your Samsung Galaxy phone will refresh the Wi-Fi hardware and it will also reboot by itself. So once the phone reboots, you should be able to use it without any problems. However, if nothing else works, I would recommend performing a network reset. So for that, head to the settings app, scroll down and then tap on general management. Now here tap on reset and here select reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and finally hit reset settings to confirm. Once you do this, your Wi-Fi issues will be gone for good. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.